All right, so when you are writing an outline, make sure that your outline, when you turn it into me, should be in Times New Roman. So I'm going to change that to Times New Roman on my font. I'm going to change it to 12-point font, just like when you write your paper, and you'll see that when you go into the MLA format. So anytime you're writing an outline, you're going to have your Roman numerals. That's going to give us like the first, that just numbers it for us. Roman numeral 1 is going to be your introduction or your thesis. And so whatever your thesis is, this is where this will go in your outline. That's basically whatever it is that you put in the discussion as what you're researching. And you can reword your thesis later. That's fine. This is just giving me an overall idea. So Roman numeral 2, that's going to be your body paragraphs. You should have 3 body paragraphs. So that's going to be your 3 pieces of evidence that you get from your sources. So if I'm writing on, so if my thesis is, what are the most violent dog breeds or something like that, or if I want to be specific about that dog breed and say, are pit bulls as violent as they're claimed to be? I'm going to do my research on that, right? I'm going to have my thesis right here, and then I'm going to have my evidence 1. And, you're not going to put evidence 1. You're just going to put whatever that evidence is. And if it's whatever that source says, source 1 says, some kind of statistics or something. And then I might, and all you have to do is kind of hit the tab there. And then I'm going to give it back up to, or statistics say that's, because of dog fights and things like that, they're raised for dog fights. I'm just say that. I don't really know if this is true, but I'm going to use it for this. Dog fighting can cause, and then when they do dog fights and then they take them to the pound or whatever, and so that dog's constantly hostile. So I might put that I'm going to talk about the hostility. I'm going to talk about whatever and whatever and whatever. And so I've got my A, B, and then I'm just going to put, I'm just going to put a dot here because I can't really think of anything off the top of my head. But my reasons behind that evidence there, then all I have to do is, there we go. Then this is going to be evidence 2. Piece of evidence 2 that you have. And remember to cite your sources when you're in there. So whatever I'm getting from that article or website or whatever, I have to cite whatever it is that I put. So if dogfighting is one reason, and so for evidence 2, I might find some information that talks about them being guard dogs and how that leads to violence. And then I'm going to come down here and put my reasons A, B, and C, and I didn't mean to do that. And I'm going to put whatever my reason is here. I'm struggling with this little. And then evidence 3. That might, whatever it is that your third piece of evidence says. And then after that, your conclusion. Okay. And that's just whatever the ending of your research findings were.